Welcome to Navy Fishing Trio. Today we are out here fishing.
Oh, that's Lily Pond. There's little pumpkin seeds here. It looks like orange seeds. Let's just drop it in and see what we can catch. Oh, there's a big seed. Here it goes. Weeds are the big one.
Now this is a pumpkin seed. Put the red light on. Yes, it's recording. Little seed, just a little guy. Just a little guy. Barely hooked. Look at that guy. Look at the color. Oh no, this is a shell. It's a shell cracker? I think so. No, that's a little seed. Little pumpkin seed. Little guy. Red light's on.
Still counts?
Yeah, that's a fish. That's the fifth fish of the day already.
So, there we got my worm.
Show you guys our beautiful new pumpkin seed.
That's a good thing. Now, let's have a loose one.
Good pumpkin seed.
I've heard of maybe use the one. Still recording.
That's a good
thing. Keep it up. Your step can try keeping the camera has action. You never caught a bass here, but I've seen bass here. People say that there's a ton of trout here. Well, stop. So there is trout in here. We never caught a trout, but we know that there's trout in here. We're trying to catch it. We have somebody with a lure hooking out. It's our father. Yeah. One's a feisty one. We caught these worms outside. At daytime, actually. Some night crawlers. That's good. We usually find these baby red worms, like, need 2 of them to, like, put on a hook. And I'm just talking about big heads. Nice and juicy worm. Juicy enough. Get some little pumpkin seeds. In and out this area. I think there's just a bed and these baby pumpkin seeds are biting with a mama somewhere. A dad bag or whatever they call it. Pumpkin seeds. Usually, any kind of sun, any kind of bass, any fish, anything that's go on, still recording. That's good. Little seed again. Actually, he's one of the biggest fish of the day. At least one of. They're only little ones. Only little ones right here. I'm trying to flip to the larger one. What's wrong, Daddy? Now? Of course we can't unhook him, not hook him out. Yeah. Alright, I'll unhook him in front of the camera. The worm is totally up. So,
nice pumpkin seed.
Oh, look at his tail.
Nice.
Look at his tail. Oh yeah, that's a little.
The whole top of the tail got sliced off by a larger fish. Now, I really tried. I don't want to hurt him, so I'm lifting him up. We're using worms. I'm using a jig head and a bobber. He is using a little regular hook with a bobber. It's a little pumpkin seed.
Let me just a little.
Look at his little face. He has a bullface. That's the bullface pumpkin seed.
Feel bad for him. That he's bullface bad. Look at the tail on this one. That sliced off that little fish. I found that thing. Look at the tail on this one. You getting bite? And not only that, I'd like to go on to recording. What I'm doing is the hook's up there. They'll probably bite it. I mean, worms are a little cold, but or frozen, but they were alive. They still are, but chunk them in half if they're big enough. It's just some floating weeds. This guy's trying to get away on me. Friend, that's not how you rig one. Good boy.
They're going to strip you, but
another little one. We're being like Uncle Steve.
I just know it.
Being like Uncle Steve. He looks right there. He likes it. Well, he's a little guy.
Jellyfish I call is a menacing monster.
Whoa!
He's a slapping little guy. Well, I still got him.
Well, that's a little one.
Yeah, still got him. He's a little bleeding where... See that thing? That's where it's
not bleeding.
It's not.
So I'm trying to hold these fish until it's wet. They're not bluegill, Brandon, they're seeds. Well, whatever. That's what fish they are. You're not honest enough, but what did you do? Like in every other video,
I'm going back to the creek.
See if I can catch them from under the bridge.
Yeah.
We have caught catfish here. 2 of them. One takes on video. So, there's an odd video. Then I'm going back to the creek. Oh, okay. Then I'm going back to the creek.
We got a worm. Freezing ice cold.
Probably cold pouring. Now I get icy. We put you guys on a hard surface.
Trying to keep as much action as we can keep. Raw feelers. Got him? No? Worm is down Wacky Ridge. No, not Wacky Ridge.
No paddling. Just tie them on. Kyle doesn't do the leads and stuff. I just hook them from the side. Maybe not the very close way. Worms are crazy. Crazy nuts. Crazy nuts. It takes forever to put a worm on. We're not only bass fishermen. Like pretty much every other video right now, this video might not be put on right this day, right today. But today,